I'll give it a try.
Wait, what are you doing? Haven't we been humiliated enough already?
Tony, don't fuck around. Just let Nolan go.
Dad, if we send Nolan, we might have a shot. Tony will lose for sure.
Hey, Nova, why did our chef send Nolan? What is he thinking?
Chef is keeping Nolan's skills a secret. Tony is just to catch the other guy off guard.
Mason, when I was at ICE, I totes crushed the campus cooking contest thrice in a row. Who are you?
Me. I'm an apprentice at La Senegal.
Apprentice? Is that a joke? You send a kitchen boy to compete against me? A kitchen boy? That is so funny.
Shall we begin?
Me crushing you will be the highlight of your life.
All right, round one, and go.
It's too fast, I can't even see his hands.
Incredible. Is this Kung Fu?
Would you look at the detail? So lifelike.
It's pure art. No wonder he's the pride of ICE.
Tony, what are you doing? Cut something. Oh, shit, he can't even cut a fish.
Oh, we're doomed. Let Nolan go.
Paper thin, like butterfly wings. Those honors were well deserved.
What kind of knife work is this? Is he joking?
That's it? What a joke. This isn't plating, this is an insult.
Tony, just get down already.
Is he serious? That's sashimi? I could cut thinner than that.
Chef Lauren, this is what you get for not sending me. Forget it. The last 2 rounds, it's all on me.
Too easy. This is pathetic.
No. Something's wrong.
What do you mean? Look.